Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting our hands on a phone that's making some serious noise in the tech world, the brand new iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus. iQOO is known for pushing the boundaries of performance, and this phone promises to be a true flagship killer. We're going to break down everything from its massive battery to its gaming-centric power. Let's dive in. First impressions? This phone looks and feels premium. It's got a sleek matte finish that feels great in the hand, and even with its monster battery, it's surprisingly slim at just 8.16 millimeters and a manageable 212 grams. The design is clean, with an optical in-display fingerprint sensor for a seamless look. But the real showstopper is this display. We're looking at a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, and the 1.5K resolution makes everything from scrolling to gaming look incredibly sharp. And for all you gamers out there, the 3000 Hz touch sampling rate means your every tap and swipe is registered instantly. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the performance. Under the hood, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus is a beast, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, built on a state-of-the-art 3nm process. This is a top-tier chipset, and it's paired with iQOO's dedicated Q2 graphics chip. What does that mean for you? It means you can crank up the settings on the most demanding games and expect a flawless, high FPS experience. We're talking Genshin Impact at max settings with no stuttering. The advanced 7000mm squared vapor chamber cooling system also ensures that this phone stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. But what's all that power without a battery to back it up? That's where the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus truly shines. It packs an insane 8000 mAh battery. That's right, 8000. For context, that's one of the largest batteries you'll find in a flagship-level phone. You can game for hours, stream videos all day, and still have juice left over. And when you do need to charge, its 90-watt flash charge technology will get you from 0 to 100 in just about an hour. It even has reverse-wired charging to power up your other devices. When it comes to the camera, the Z10 Turbo Plus features a dual setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor that has OIS and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera. While it's not a camera-first phone, the pictures are great, with a solid main sensor for daily use. It's a capable system, especially for the price point. Other features: it comes with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.1 storage. It runs on Android 15 with iQOO's Origin OS 5 on top. The phone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4 NFC. So, who is the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus for? It's for the gamer, the power user, and anyone who's tired of carrying a power bank. With its flagship-level performance, a breathtaking 144 Hz display, and a battery that just won't quit, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus delivers an incredible value proposition. It's a true gaming beast and a serious contender in the high-performance smartphone space. Let me know in the comments what you think of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus. Would you trade your current phone for this monster? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.